Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundi X and introduction to staking FX tokens. So I feel like you guys deserve a more focused quality video on how to stake your NPXS, NPXSM for Function X tokens. So here we go. What you want to do is you want to open your X Wallet app. Under the tab labeled Wallet, look at where it says Highlights. Scroll down a tad bit and click where it says Showcase New Wallet Features. Once you have clicked this, there's going to show a link. And if you're an iPhone user, you actually want to go ahead and copy that first link, where it's just the shorter link. And if you're an Android user, you want to go ahead and copy the second link, which is the longer link. Now you can go ahead and exit the app, and you can actually delete your X wallet. Then you want to open your Brave browser, your Safari, your Google, and you want to paste that link onto it, and you want to search it. Then it's going to take you to a screen where the Pundi X, that it'll say download. Then you just click the download button and it should start working for you. If not, if it takes you to the bottom, I believe you just scroll up and you click Android or iPhone and it'll start. You can proceed with the steps to download it. Oh, and also just kind of like a little bonus thing, if you guys are not familiar with the Brave browser and the basic attention token BAT, then let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to make a video on it, because I definitely think they're a great project to look into at least and just see what they're doing. Definitely something amazing. Anyways, once your X wallet has finished download again, now you want to go ahead and open the app again, and this time you're going to want to click on the tab that says card, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this blue card right here, this XPass, and you're going to want to go ahead and click on the plus sign on the left hand side, top left, and then you're going to want to basically get your Function X virtual card. And then after you add your NPXS, you want to go to your FX virtual card and you want to click right here, and it'll take you to a tab where you'll be able to transfer or put your NPXS to a stake a Function X. But just something worth noting is that the staking process won't begin till March 20th, and aside from that, on March 20th you have to actually open your X Wallet app manually, and then you have to go to your FX virtual card. You want to hit this staking button right here, and then it'll start staking for you. And also just make sure you download the app using the link on the browser you use, because if you do it from the App Store or Android store, then it's not really going to work for some reason. It's very specific, so just make sure you go through the link. And also, I know I've been saying that apparently, well, not apparently, but due to regulatory issues in the US, we're not able to begin the staking process, but it was brought to my attention by Marco 74361 that they are actually working on a solution to bring us the staking and swapping process for the Function X, which I'm really excited, because I'm extremely excited personally for the Function X token. I feel like it's gonna do super well, in my opinion. And well, again, everything has to go like everything according to plan, and if everything goes well and they keep doing great, then I feel like it's definitely going to be something disruptive potentially. As well as Pundi X, I still think Pundi X is going to be pretty good, especially as we move forward with mass adoption and more people adopting blockchain and cryptocurrency. But that does it for this video. If you guys want to stay tuned with daily Pundi X videos and crypto videos in general, then hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, any comments, suggestion of a video or something you would like to see me cover, then comment down below and I'll be sure to look into it and bring that out to you guys.